Water is the foundation of every city, every industry, and every community. Behind every reliable water system is a commitment to engineering excellence, product reliability, and long-term partnership. From water infrastructure to industrial applications, NORITE creates reliable flow solutions for a changing world. This is NORITE Global. For nearly 30 years, NORITE Global has been delivering reliable pump, valve, and intelligent fluid control solutions for municipal, industrial, irrigation, energy, and infrastructure projects around the world. With global experience and engineering expertise, we create solutions that deliver lasting value. We don't simply supply products. We help build reliable water infrastructure. Every project begins with engineering. At NORITE Global, we develop reliable fluid control solutions for municipal, industrial, irrigation, desalination, and energy projects. From system analysis to field application, we focus on every detail to create optimized solutions. Our engineering expertise covers hydraulic design, material selection, corrosion protection, pressure management, and system optimization, ensuring reliable performance under demanding operating conditions. Supported by advanced testing and continuous innovation, every solution is built for long-term reliability, because true reliability begins long before manufacturing starts. Supported by modern manufacturing facilities in China, advanced CNC machining, automated production lines, and comprehensive quality management systems, NORITE delivers stable production capacity for global EPC contractors, distributors, and infrastructure projects. With multiple production bases, advanced processing equipment, and strict quality control procedures, we combine manufacturing efficiency with engineering precision to meet demanding global requirements. Every component is manufactured with precision. Every process is fully traceable. Quality is more than inspection. It is embedded throughout every stage, from raw material verification, machining, pressure testing, coating inspection, assembly, to final performance validation. Every step is controlled to ensure consistent quality and long-term reliability. Designed and manufactured in accordance with international standards including ISO, EN, API, WW, DIN, and GB. Today, NORITE Global supports customers and partners in more than 60 countries across Asia, the Middle East, Africa, and Latin America. Together with our overseas partners and global supply network, we provide responsive communication, dependable delivery, and localized project support. We continue to build stronger connections with our partners through reliable solutions and professional service. At NORITE, we believe every successful project begins with trust, grows through partnership, and lasts through quality. Guiding flow, shaping future, NORITE to the word.